Wix, how to unpublish site. So if you want to unpublish the site on Wix, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Maybe you thought your website was ready and then you published it in a rush, but then you decide there are still many more changes that you need to make. So you want to keep it private, which means you want to unpublish it for a while. So whenever you're inside the Wix dashboard, first of all, you want to go to the edit site button from the top right, which will take you to the website editor. So once you go to the edit site option from the top right hand side, you will be taken to your website editor, right? Now, if you've happened to already publish this site, from the top right, you can see the publish button. You just have to hover your mouse over it. When you hover over it, you'll find this option that says unpublish site. So you can just click on the unpublish option. It will ask you for a couple of confirmation whether or not you would like to unpublish it. So here you can just go ahead and then see the settings. You can scroll and you can say site is published right now, but I can click on the unpublish button if I want to remove it from the public. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.